Okay, so we're at Daytona. I qualified third, but decided to start from the pits because I noticed a few other drivers were starting from the pits, so hopefully we can work together. There's already been a wreck on the outlap, so I'm quite happy with my decision. I often do these races and then regret having been in with a group of people. But anyway, here they all come. That's interesting. I'm able to go. See if I can keep up with them. Oh, I'm not too far back, am I, really? It's interesting. I thought I'd be a lot further back and I'd need to work with those guys who started in the pits with me, but maybe not. Well, you've got to get a slipstream or you're dead here, so let's just see. I don't know if I'm close enough. I may have to work with the guys from the pits. They should catch up anyway. Or even if I drop back from this group, I'll then just tag on with this group behind. But you never know. So, I mean, pace. I'd say I've got the pace. I was third on the grid, but it doesn't really mean anything. It's all about the draft and tactics and all the rest of it. So it doesn't really matter how fast you can go on your own. It's how fast can you go in the group. So we'll just see if we can catch up with them. I think the way I've got my graphics set, I don't know if I can see all the cars because I can't see that many ahead of us. Maybe that's just the way my graphics are set. Well, I'm hoping the guys behind do catch up at some point. Otherwise, I am going to be on my own. As you can see, the group ahead is getting away and the group behind is not really catching. So, and all the cars ahead, it's really odd. They're disappearing. So I've obviously set my graphics to only look so many 100 meters up the road. So it looks like I'm on my own, doesn't it? Anyway, we're not. There is a whole group of cars ahead that we're chasing down. So, although it does look a bit odd, we'll get there, I think. So the guys behind are catching now. So they'll be with us soon. So we'll all work together, hopefully.
Drop down, kid.
And we'll see how we get on. Yeah, I whenever I race overs, I always think, gosh, I must sort out my graphics because it does look like there's no one ahead of us, doesn't it? Anyway, let's see. I'm sure there'll be some action. 3 of 18, so 15 to go. It should be in the 48s. That's where we need to be. Wrecking in the triangle. Yeah, so there goes some. You can see the smoke. Can we see the cars? Yeah, we can see the cars. There's a car down low. Okay, we're catching a few. Okay. We're going to catch these guys, I think. Interesting to see if they've got damage. Whether they can get up to speed. Looks like they're going up to speed, isn't it? This is a matter of morons, yeah. Or maybe we just go flying past them, don't know. Don't know, we'll see. Anyway, we're catching this guy. Looks like he might be a bit slow, so we'll probably go by.
Everybody uses radios in it.
We might have some damage. We'll leapfrog to the next car, hopefully.
Careful bite this.
50.275.
Okay, we're top 10 anyway.
You're in the top 10.
Yeah, the strategy seems pretty quick anyway.
The gap is 3.1 seconds.
Let's see if we work together. What are we going to do? Well, he was near the front with me on the grid, so he's obviously got caught up and then lost out. So where's he going then? Going in the pits by the looks of it.
48.795. That was his fastest lap of the session. Outside. Keep low.
Okay.
Car in front, the gap is 5.5 seconds. Clear outside if you want it.
Okay, we're catching this guy pretty quick, aren't we?
A lap down.
It's a lap down.
Outside. Clear up top.
Okay, so we're 7th. This may be where our progress ends. It's whether these guys draft or just take me out. Let's see.
Running 49.
They're 6th, so we'll catch 6th because they're on their own. They've got no one to work with, as we have.
49.369.
Yeah, so we're in the 49s. So we did a 48.7 last time. Hopefully we can go a bit quicker. I don't know if anyone can hear it, but when I've raced it before, you can hear like a tune in your headphones. And I can hear it at the moment, but no one else could hear it, even when I sort of tried to enhance it. But if you can hear it, let me know. It's like da 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 da, like a tune going over and over and over. Anyway, we're at the front of this group. We're coming up behind car 6. We'll cut the 6th place car anyway. We're catching them pretty quick. So we'll go past them. Let them tag on behind. Then we'll have 2 groups, won't we? And we'll go after the leaders. I'm always happier in front rather than behind, I think. Although you do risk getting pushed off. Is he going to go high or go low? What's he going to do? He's going high. We'll go low.
The car in P12, just set past the flat. 48.21 outside.
Okay, so can we catch the lead group?
Come up, 7.
Don't know. They're all going pretty quick, so I don't know if we'll catch them.
Dude, I gave you room. Don't hit.
Sorry, mate. Sorry. The car
Wow, you guys hitting.
Oh dear. Looks like there's been a problem ahead.
17, just set past the flat. 47.9.
Which way do we go?
49.
2 behind us side by side. That's not great, is it?
The car in P8, just set past the flat. 47.928.
Okay, somebody going slow there.
5.7 seconds.
Car 8 seems keen, doesn't they?
Outside. Stay low. There is a car on the high side. Still there. Clear outside if you want it.
He's banging into the car next to him, doesn't he? Getting a bit worried about him. Get the feeling he's going to hit me when he comes alongside.
49.57. You're in 4th position.
We're 4th. Well, I was 3rd on the grid, so I guess doing too bad. But I don't know what Diego's doing. Seems to have a lot of speed. He does seem to not be able to hold a line.
Car outside. Stay low. There is a car on the high.
I'm a little bit worried about him.
Clear outside.
Who are we catching now then? That marker. That one is a lap down.
49.613. Car outside. Keep low.
Yeah, I'm not happy with Diego. I can just see him wobbling all over the place. trouble ahead. Through the yellow flags.
Turn
Oh,
3.
problem behind as well.
That car is a lap down. Slow car
Well,
down.
that's is that going to help us?
Go high.
I mean, we're second,
50
but
points.
we've got no one to follow, so
49.296. You're in second position right now. Car inside.
second.
Clear inside.
Have I got enough of a gap? The leader's on his own, he's got no one with him. If we can form a group, and we can catch the leader here. Two of us together can catch the leader here.
17, you got a mic, David?
Yeah, I've got a mic.
The car in front is pitting. 50.058.
All
You're
right,
in a
now that I
podium
gave
position.
a lap car the lead,
Wrecking in the tri-oval.
More wrecking. So we haven't got long. 4 laps. How are we going to catch? There's 3 of us together. We're going pretty quick.
Still gaining on the car in front. The gap is 9.9.
So 9 seconds. What was the last lap for the leader? 50.9. What was ours? 50 flat, so a second nearly. We're a bit too far back, aren't we?
49.693.
Seconds that lap nearly, or 1.5 anyway. Catching him, he's on his own, he's got no one to work with. We're going quicker if we got enough time. I think he might do it. Question for me is, can I stay ahead? Is this guy gonna let us win or let us beat him, or is he gonna go for a move?
Second, 49.715.
Yeah, we're like a second and a half quicker, aren't we, every lap? We haven't got many laps left. See the gap, 6.7 coming down. Coming down. He's catching somebody now. We've got a pair we're catching.
Two laps to go.
2 laps to go. We're going to get past these back markers, I wonder.
48.966.
Felt like I skidded then. Did he touch me?
The gap is
He might have done.
4 seconds.
Definitely catching these 2.
can you drop back a little bit so I can get track on the final lap, please?
Okay, so we're catching these 2.
Last lap.
Last lap, okay. What are we going to do then?
48.274.
Are these back markers going to play ball?
Car inside. Still there, hold your line. That car is a lap down. Still there.
Never mind, wait, wait.
Okay, he's going to go for it, isn't he?
Still gaining on the car in front. The gap is 2 seconds. Clear clear.
Okay, I think that might have done it. Guy behind's got tapped by the lap traffic. I think we've made it, haven't we?
Car outside.
I think we have.
Go low. Clear outside.
We've done it. Second. So this was the start. I started from the pits. I was third on the grid, but I thought safest back here. I didn't think I'd be quite so close to them. I thought I'd have to wait for them to go by before I came out. So we had a good old start, didn't we? And we were able to sort of cling on a little bit to the back anyway. So let's see the incidents. This is the front of the grid. So this is where I would have been. So I'm glad. I'm sort of glad I wasn't there. But they got through there, okay. Now what have we got? More bumping, I guess. Hey, so that could have been me, couldn't it? That could have been me. Oh dear. That was the guy who was alongside me at the start. So we closed up on him a bit. Now what have we got? I mean, this is bump drafting, but pretty bad bump drafting, that is. Now what? Just touching the side by the looks of it. Oi! Rear press, that's always good news. Goodness sake. People just keep their foot in and drive into you, don't they? Oh dear. Now what? Oh. Yeah, it's never going to end well, is it? What? I'm not complaining. Help me. There's me up there, look, in the green and purple. And we're just all going by. Is he going to do an unsafe rejoin? No, I thought he was then. Okay. Oh dear, he's spun coming out of the pits. Well done, mate. And now what? Oh, it's gone up a little bit high. Oh, and again. And again. What's he doing? You can't bump draft in a corner. Okay, so here's me then. Well, I just ease off slightly, so the race was over, and obviously that caught him out. But anyway, this looks like it's it, is it? Now what are they going to do? Oh, okay. What was that about? Hey! Nice. Oh, into the safety car. Hey! Nice. And that's it. Okay, well, let's look at those results. So that was third split out of 4. Bit of safety rating, bit of high rating. So pleased with that. Came second. Look at that. Happy with that. So best lap was what? 47.9. I did a 48.2. Leader did a 48.3. I mean, lap times aren't really that important. It's because it depends where you are in the draft. But yeah, happy with that. Started third, finished second. Yeah, the leader started second, finished first. So maybe I'd have been there anyway, but I chickened out, but it paid off for a change. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.